Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The gold-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic indicator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
U.S. stock indexes fell from record highs as listed Chinese firms tumbled on tighter regulations at home, in a poor start to a week packed with technology earnings and a Federal Reserve meeting. Anthony Delorio, a co-founder of the Ethereum network, says he's done with the cryptocurrency world, partially because of personal safety concerns. With a market capitalization of almost $500 billion, the chipmaker NVIDIA is now worth nearly as much as semiconductor rivals Intel, Advanced Micro Devices, and Qualcomm combined.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. non-defense capital goods orders will be released at 12:30 GMT, the U.S. consumer confidence at 1400 GMT, the U.S. durable goods orders at 12:30 GMT. Finland's consumer confidence will be released at 500 GMT, Finland's unemployment rate at 500 GMT, Finland's industrial confidence at 500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.